Now you got it all drooly. Okay, I was only using 5% of my power. Oh. Hello guys, welcome. And I know it's been a while, but I'm finally back. And I'm thanking you guys for 100 subscribers. I know it's taken a long time to get this video out because I've been lazy. I haven't been busy, I've just been lazy, sorry. But it's here now, and we're trying Japanese candy here in Japan. And I'm here joined by my sister.
Hello, I'm Arisa.
Wow. Guys, we spent thousands and thousands of yen just for you guys. Thousands of yen. Okay, so the first snack here, we got Crunky. I think it's a combination of chunky and crunchy. Crunky. It's pretty good. It's like cookies and cream.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Okay.
So we'll be like giving these ratings as we go. Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
There goes Crunky.
Here we go.
Pretty good.
It's
like it's like Hershey's cookie and cream, if you know that bar.
Yeah, it is like Hershey's cookie and cream.
Pretty much the same. Japanese version.
Oh, that's actually so good.
Yeah, it's pretty good actually.
It's like ice cream. See, it shows ice cream.
Oh, I think it's like I guess.
Tastes like creamy.
Yeah, it's like Hershey's and cookies and cream. It's pretty good.
I actually really like those. Like maybe better than the Hershey's.
Really? Try another one. Oh, how are we gonna seal all of these? How are we gonna seal? How are we gonna? We don't have anything to seal it with.
Oh no, they're gonna be so stale.
Okay, well, we'll just eat them. We'll eat them all. Okay, yeah, so
That's so good.
Rating for Crunky, it was pretty good. I'll be fair rater. I'll give it about a 7.5 out of 10. It's pretty good.
I'd give it a 8.5.
8.5. Okay, pretty high scores on Crunky.
Good job, Crunky. Our next snack are these round brown things.
Wow.
I don't know. They're like sort of soft. I don't know.
What are they called?
It's in Japanese.
They're called That's what they're called.
That's really
I'm just kidding, guys. I love Japanese people.
Okay.
So let's see
what this is about.
Here you go. Ooh.
There's a separate package.
They smell familiar. Like something I've had before. Like Twinkies?
I don't smell anything.
Open it. They smell like a snack I've had before. Don't they? Like some sort of Twinkie related thing. You know. Something close to Twinkies. Like it reminds me of something. They're pretty plain. There's nothing in here.
They're sort of plain,
it's
but
just plain
I like the texture. It's really soft.
Okay. It's soft and kind of squishy, but there's not really that much taste to it, you know?
I like it. It's soft.
Yeah, it's alright. Crunky was a lot better though.
Yeah, Crunky was better. I give this probably like a 6.
I'll give this like a 5. It wasn't that. It was like average. Kind of boring.
Yeah, not much to it.
Alright. Here's our next one. Also all written in Japanese. I don't know what it means, but it looks pretty good.
It looks cool.
It's like a pomegranate.
It has a temple. What is that? Sensoji?
It has some temple and pomegranates on it. So let's try this. Okay. Here it is.
Oh, are they like sticks?
I think they're like sticks. Kind of like Pocky.
I think Pocky's really popular here because I see them everywhere.
Alright, here we go.
I think it's a salty snack.
Kind of plain as well.
It's a sort of a weird taste.
Yeah, at the start, it almost seems like it's going to taste weird, but then the taste just goes away.
What even is that?
This is average. I don't.
Wait, that tastes like something.
I don't know what that is. But this, yeah, no, it tastes kind of average, to be honest.
I honestly like the soft things more.
Yeah, I'll give this a 5 as well.
Yeah, I'll give it a 5 too.
Actually, I'll give it 4.5 because the soft thing was better.
I'll give it, yeah, 5. I'll just give it 5.
Oh.
Next is, what even is this? I don't know. This is how the package looks. I think it's these things. I don't know, biscuits or something. I don't know.
It looks like biscuits dipped in lemon sauce. So let's see how this is gonna taste.
Looks zesty.
I love lemons, if you guys didn't know.
He loves his citrusy orange.
I'm a big lemon fan. Here you go.
Lemon, lime, orange.
These actually look pretty good. I think I'm gonna like this a lot. Ooh, it smells very lemony.
Oh yeah. Wait for me.
Here, I want this.
I
want the lemons!
I get 3, 2, 1. That's good.
Pretty good. Very lemony. Crunchy.
It's actually so good.
I would eat these. I already love these. They're quite
so
good. They're tasty. Wow, there's only 2 more in here. Wow.
Only 4?
Yeah, a little
That's
cheap.
a scam.
Little cheap Japan. It's okay. They're good though. Oh yeah, ratings on the lemon. It was pretty good. But I don't think it was better as. I don't think it was good. I don't know. Was it better than Crunchy?
I like Crunkies more.
I'll give this a 7.
I'll give this probably 8.
8. Wait, what do you give Crunky?
8.5.
Oh, okay.
Crunky's still in the lead.
Crunky's winning.
Next, we have these bear crackers. Look how cute they are. So
Kawaii.
cute.
Kawaii.
So kawaii. So yeah, they're like koala bears. Let's give
Chocolate
it
bears.
a try. That's really gross.
Oh, I gotta do it.
Say excuse me. Oh.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Excuse me, gozaimasu.
Okay. They're like little crackers.
Little bears. Alright.
Oh look, it has a bear print. Okay.
Fancy.
There's some chocolate inside.
Pretty good.
They're good.
Like crackers with chocolate in it. It's like you want to keep eating more.
Those are so good. I like those.
Pretty solid, these guys, pretty solid. So, those guys, I'll rate them like a 7.
I'll give them.
7, yeah, 7.
Do you want us? Yeah, 7.
Next snack, we got this bar right here.
It looks
little
like
pineapple relaxing in the sun. This thing looks pretty cool. Looks pretty interesting. Let's see. Oh, it's got quite a tough packaging. High security. Right. Oh, they're like little.
High security.
They're like little tablets. Oh my god.
Like little gum. Is it gum?
Oh, maybe it's gum.
Oh, it feels like gum.
Like. Well, we can still try it. Oh yeah, I think this might, or maybe it's like Starburst kind of thing.
It's white. Oh, it looks like Starburst.
So it looks like a little, almost looks like Starburst, and it has a hole in the front.
Sticky.
It's not hard. I think it's like Starburst.
It's really chewy.
It's like Starburst.
It's too chewy.
Oh, it doesn't get stuck in your teeth like Starburst.
Starburst is better.
Starburst is better, but it's not bad.
It's not bad.
I have taste to it.
Was it like pineapple flavored?
Oh, I just dunked on myself.
Was that drool?
I just splooshed out of my mouth. Cause it's so juicy. It's pretty juicy though. Pretty juicy time.
It's pretty good. Everything's been pretty good so far.
Yeah, so I think I'll rate that. I've been giving so many 7s. I'll give it a 7.2.
0.2.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give it like a 7, 7.5.
Cool.
Okay. Next, we have these sticks.
Wow.
I don't know, like cheese sticks or something? I don't know. Let's see what they're about. Oh, they look like fries.
Oh, that's pretty tasty.
Well, that was disappointing.
Yeah, they're actually not that good. I don't like these.
They look like
The
McDonald's
aftertaste
fries.
is bad. The aftertaste is not good.
It's not gross, but it's just...
I don't really like it, honestly. I don't like those.
You should go around trolling people, like take out their McDonald's fries and put these.
They don't even look that much like fries.
They look like McDonald's fries.
Nah, those are gross.
Yeah, those are
I really
probably like
them.
the worst so far.
Yeah, I'm gonna give those like a 3. I don't like those.
I'll give them a 4.
Wow, so nice. Okay. Next one, we got these.
Lemon, another lemon thing.
It's like
Just gonna
another
love it.
lemon dessert kind of deal. Little dealio, lemon dessert dealio. Oh!
Here, I'll do it.
No, can't embarrass me on camera. Don't embarrass me on camera. This is, it's hard to grip this. Maybe I just gotta, I think this is the easiest one.
Okay, give me it.
It's hard. It's hard. Oh, you thought it was easy, right? It's not easy. It's so hard to open it. What? I have an idea. How about you pull one side, I'll pull the other side.
I'll just use my teeth.
Okay. I like my idea better.
No.
Oh, now you got a little drooly.
It's not that
Kid,
pretty.
I was only using 5% of my power. Oh!
Effort.
Oh, okay. Here we go. I had to use 100% of my strength, but I got it
Oh,
open.
they're so soft.
They're very soft.
It's
They're very
so
soft, gooey little
like dope- it's
jellies.
like,
little
Timbits.
jellies. Yeah. Let's try this.
They're so soft.
Very soft. Oh, there's some hard chunks in it.
I like it.
Oh.
It's okay.
Yeah. It's alright, but
I really
For the
like
amount
the
of effort-
texture.
texture is good. But for the amount of effort it took to open that, it's not worth it.
Mhm. It's okay.
Look at this trick. Oh!
Fail.
20 minutes later.
He tried like 100 times.
No.
Okay.
Oh! Wow, where's the hype?
Oh.
Oh. You try. You try.
Okay, well you failed the
I'm
first
not
time
editing
too.
it. I'm not editing any of yours.
Oh, that was so close.
Oh my god, yeah. It's gone. It went into the oblivion, everyone. It's gone.
It's gone.
Okay. Okay, after considering very thoroughly about these snacks, the taste was okay. What was that for? The taste was okay, so I'll give it 5.5.
That was
It
probably like the
passes.
worst one, so.
What? It wasn't that bad. You said you like the texture.
The texture, that's it.
Okay, what's your rating?
Probably like 3.5.
Okay, 3.5.
We have these cookies, like little cookies or something. Let's try it.
Grandma's cookies.
Oh, we should probably.
The grandma's cookies.
What is that? A little grandma?
Yeah, the grandma's
Cute
cookies.
Japanese grandma.
Thanks.
Everything's so cute in Japan.
So kawaii.
Here we go.
Smells good.
They're good. They're like little biscuits. Good
Yeah,
snack.
there's something your grandma would make. It's good. Good grandma cookies. You can't go wrong with grandma cookies.
Look at the grandma's so happy.
Grandma cookies are always so good. Let me have some more.
That's good.
They're pretty good actually.
Yeah, I like those. I like these.
I think I'll rate those 27s 7.3. Those are good.
I'll give these. You're doing points. Okay.
Yeah, because I'm doing
7.7.
my ratings are too tight. 7.7. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay. Boom!
Oh, I was.
Matcha Kit Kats. I was
am
looking at these
forward
things
to
and
this
they look
one.
really cool. The Kit Kats are matcha flavored. I'm really curious to see how they taste. Hopefully I can-
Great.
Look at this
But
packaging.
do you even like matcha?
I don't know. I like Kit Kats.
I like
so
matcha.
I don't even know
Kit
how
Kats, so I
matcha
feel like I'll
really
like this.
tastes.
Matcha.
Matcha.
Get it right. Oh, they're so tiny.
And in case you guys
Like
didn't know, I'm one of these people.
Oh, okay, bye.
Sometimes. Original's better.
They're good.
I like the
them.
crunch, but like
I like them.
original's way better.
Yeah, original's better, but
I don't know. I don't like these too much. They're like,
I like them.
I give them a 5.
Really? I'll give
Yeah.
these like a. I'll give them an 8.
Wow, holy. Because you like matcha, don't you?
Next, we have these
Choco.
little round things.
Cute little snacks from Japan.
Everything's just so cute here. I want to move here. Oh crap.
That's what everyone says. Tiny little package. Kind of reminds me of Starburst as well. Maybe it's like the other thing we had. That's how it looks. It smells like peanut butter.
Hey, wait for me.
I'm smelling it. I always smell stuff before I eat it. It's like peanut butter.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, this reminds me of something. Oh,
Is it peanut butter?
it's like sort of jello-y.
It went like peanut butter to jello. Like,
It's good.
what is this now? They don't even look like this. Look, they're showing like puffs on here. There's no puffs in it.
No, it looks like that one.
Yeah, it looks like this thing.
Maybe that's something.
Oh.
Like flavor.
Oh yeah, maybe that's like the flavor. It's these puff flavors, I guess.
It's good.
It's not, yeah, it's pretty
It has
good.
some peanut butter in
It's
it.
alright, you know. I'll give it a 6.5.
I'll give it 7.
7?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Your turn.
Next, we got a big old bar.
Big old
This ain't
bar.
cute, it's a big old bar. Actually, it's a bunch of little chocolate crackers
chocolate
here.
crackers.
Cute little crackers, once again. Wow, they're so small, look. Oh, they're kind of broken. Right,
It's like a baby Oreo thing.
yeah.
They're good.
Decent.
There's more chocolate in them.
Yeah.
They're so good.
They're pretty good. I'll give them like a... Give them a 6.7. How are you?
I'll give them, well, it's better than the last thing. What was the last thing? Probably like 7.3.
Okay. We're heavy into the points now.
Okay, next we have some mango candy. It feels jello-y.
Little mango.
Oh, good. This
That
one
mango looks good though.
Yeah.
Mango's like my favorite fruit. I love mango more than lemons.
Okay. Here. like a little.
Oh, okay, so it's like a little jelly, squishy little jelly. Oh, it smells so good.
Meh.
Not bad. Not bad.
It's not my.
Nice little jelly. It's like
Taste.
Welch's. You know Welch's? It's like the Japanese Welch's. That's pretty good. I'm gonna give that a 7. It's pretty good.
They're okay. I'll give them like a 6.
6? Whoa. Is that the first? I think the first time you put a rating lower than me. Give it a 6.
Yeah, I don't like them that much.
Next, we got some chips.
Some chips.
And it looks like a lime flavored chips.
He's gonna love
Lime
it.
flavored Japanese.
If it's lime
No,
or
but
lemon?
lime chips, I don't know if that works, to be honest. I don't know if lime chips work. Oh, that was an intense smell. That was an intense smell. Holy.
But it smells like vinegar too.
Well, you could probably get high off of this smell. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's like a little vinegar, a little lime.
Oh.
Very nice. Very thin. Not a ton of flavor, but
I don't even taste the lime.
you gotta have more. You gotta have more. Take a big stack.
That's disappointing.
Oh well.
There's no lime flavor. They're okay.
Not bad. Has a good crunch. Has a good crunch. And like it's not like overpacked with flavor. I think it's pretty good. I really like chips. So I'm gonna give that like an 8.
Wow.
It's nice. I'm a big chip fan.
They're good. I mean, I'll probably give them a 7.
Okay.
Next we have Okinawa tofu
chips. More chips, but they're like
Tofu
crackery chips. Tofu. I don't know about tofu, man. I had tofu today, but I didn't eat it.
Yeah, I
Mom.
ate his tofu.
Yeah.
You know what this reminds me of?
Oh.
The Indian was it? Oh, the
Matari.
Matari.
Matari is this, if you guys don't know. And it's like this Indian snack. I think Matari is better than this now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not bad. There's barely any in here.
It's not bad. Not bad crunchy snack. I think I'll give that one give it a 6.5.
I'll give it a 7 too.
And next, we saw these all over the stores.
Yeah.
These little mushroom snacks all over the place. So
They
we decided to
better be
get
good.
them. They look like mushrooms with chocolate tips on them. So.
And Meiji, like we keep seeing that brand.
Oh yeah,
or
Meiji.
whatever.
I think it's a big company or something. Big food little food company. We got a bag inside a box, guys. Bag inside a box, that means trouble. There you go.
Oh, it's like a little shroom.
Yeah, so it's like a little crunchy at the bottom, chocolate at the top. It's a good combo.
Okay. A lot of these taste similar, like they're like
Yeah.
cracker and chocolate. There's so many cracker and chocolate
Yeah.
stuff.
But it's actually pretty good.
I like them.
Yeah. I'll give that. Give it a 7.1.
I give them a 8.3.
Wow. Okay.
Next we have these like strawberry flavored snacks. They look pretty good.
Wow, they look quite good.
There's like literally a cartoon on every single
Yeah, I know.
bag.
That's how they roll.
Wow.
Oh, it's like a palette.
Look at this. It's
A
like
palette
a
of chocolates.
palette.
Strawberry chocolate.
They're heart shaped.
That's pretty kawaii. That's pretty kawaii, Leonard.
Yeah. Kawaii Leonard. There. They're like
Okay. Oh, it has a bunch of chocolate. underneath.
Strawberry chocolate.
It sounds like ice cream. Is that what it's supposed to be?
Reminds me of my childhood.
It's like Neapolitan kind
Yeah.
of. I think it's supposed to be
Neapolitan.
ice cream because it has like a cone here on the cover. I think it's supposed to taste like ice cream. And
Yeah,
it kind
it
of
does.
tastes like strawberry ice cream.
Tastes good.
Oh. Yeah.
I like them.
That's pretty nice. I'll give that. Was it better than the mushrooms? I'll also give that a 7.1. Same level as the mushrooms.
Give it an 8.
Okay. Next snack here.
Only got 2 more left.
We got the
These
rainbow
eggs. They
rainbow
look like
eggs.
those eggs. By
Of various sorts of various colors. Let's try these. No, this looks okay. Thought it was gonna be hard to open, but
These
it
are
wasn't.
all actually so good. I wish we
They're
had these
pretty
in
good.
Canada.
Yeah. But we have good chocolates too. Oh, hard.
Oh, I thought there'd be chocolate in it.
I like
Wait.
these. These give you a kick, man. These give you a good kick.
Yeah, it's like a candy, like.
It's like have a bit of sourness
Mm-hmm.
and sugar. And it's pretty nice. It's pretty dandy. Different flavors.
Yeah,
though.
each color.
Let me try the flavors.
Oh, look, it says the flavor. Is that Coke?
Oh, I think I had a
Lemon?
Coke one. Coke, lemon. There's like a blue drink, peach. I guess those are the flavors. I don't know what the blue drink is. Five-second rule.
Ew.
5-second rule, man. Actually, 5-second rule has been proven that it's incorrect. But no, it was good. I think I'll give that a 7.3.
I'll give it 6.7. The last snack.
Very last snack here.
Green.
Little green pea-looking
Edamame
things.
pea
I don't know, but they I think they're little salty snacks. So let's try these guys out.
There hasn't been many salty snacks.
Yeah, those are chips. My favorite. I don't know, man. These things look weird.
They're really thin.
Let's try it. Oh, they're not crunchy.
There's like not much flavor.
Wait,
I
it
think it
tastes
is
almost
peas.
like a pea.
No, it is pea flavored. Yeah,
Oh.
they're not that good.
It's pretty gross.
Yeah, it's probably the worst
They're
one.
not good. Those aren't good. I'm gonna give those a 2.5. Those are kind of gross. Peas are not a
Yeah,
good
I'll give
snack.
them a 3.
No peas.
I'll give them a 3. And that's everything.
Okay, so that has been the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, thank you for 100 subscribers. I know it's taken me a while
Follow
to...
me on Instagram, Arissa_Greywall.
Yeah, there's the plug. I know it's taken me a while to upload this video, but no, seriously, thank you guys for 100 subs. It actually went pretty quickly. I'm surprised. So I will be coming out with more content in the future. Just leave me suggestions. And yeah, like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you enjoyed, dislike if you hated it. I don't mind criticism. And see ya.
See ya. Peace.